Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We have 3 different stores in a midweek haul: Walgreens, Rite Aid, and Bath & Body Works. Bath & Body Works finally gave us a 20% off coupon. We'll talk about a haul that I did yesterday. And we're going to start off strong over at Walgreens. First thing this morning, both of my coupons got this booster, which is 20 back when you spend 40. Valid next week. The fund does not start until the 25th of June, just to note that. Also, if you search both Charmin and Bounty, the more expensive products, I found an $8 and a $5 on my husband's account. My account did not get it, but I think it might show up later. Load these coupons if you might have them. They don't expire till the end of September, so a little bit along the ways. I was very fortunate at one store to find some clearance CoverGirl cosmetics. We have both digitals, and then on coupons.com there are $4 rebates for each. So we have the $2.79 mascara, and then there's a face powder for $1.99. Now, what's really interesting about these products is that we have digital coupons, and also coupons.com there's a rebate that could make it a moneymaker for you. It's also ringing up buy one get one 50% off this week, which is really fantastic. And then just to show you what the coupons.com rebates look like, very similar to what the digital coupons look like as well. Now, if you could be so lucky in store, this is what I would do. If you could find a bunch of them, grab 2 of the clearance mascaras for $4.18, 3 of the CoverGirl face for $4.98, for a total of $9.15. Now, if you have the 2 $4 digital coupons, those will come off. You'll pay $1.15 for the 5 cosmetics, which is a really good price point. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay that dollar, go for it. But what a great deal on cosmetics. Alternatively, if you can only find one of each, grab one of each, pay the $3.78. You cannot use the digital coupons because you're not at that $4 mark. So that's how I was getting the digitals to work. But use $3 in Walgreens cash, pay that 78 cents, and then make the submission to the coupons.com app for $4 back for each. So it'd make it free and a $4.22 moneymaker. These rebates and the digital coupons end on Saturday the 24th. So, I mean, what a great little deal, but make it happen, guys. Now, we're going to talk about a quick booster deal that I did, and I guess I was feeling really lazy that I didn't even use this on my husband's card, which is a 10 back when you spend 25. So I had it loaded on my card. I didn't even do a deal yet, but I had a deal in my head vaguely that I wanted to do. I also got this one in the store, which was a 9 back when you spend 30. So I used that in concert. So that would be $19 back on a $30 basket. And then I had a $5 manufacturer register reward that I also threw into the mix to get my out-of-pocket a lot less. Here's my basket, guys. 3 of those Schick products, and I'm going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $20. 2 of the Burt's Bees, I got back a $3 register reward, and the Dawn buy 2, get back a $1 register reward. So let's just show you what I grabbed. I was really hoping to find 3 of the men's, but I only found 2 of the men's razors priced at $6.99. And here's the promotion. $20, get back $5. So I also grabbed 2 men's razors and 1 ladies razor. These are the digital coupons that are attaching. We have a 4 off of 2. So $2 coupons for those razors, and then a $3 off, and all of those came off perfectly. I got the cashier to scan absolutely every item in the basket too, to ensure that my one $5 register reward and all the digitals would attach, and that seemed to be the trick. $3.50, I grabbed 2 of these for $7, and the promotion for this is to buy 2, get back a $3 register reward, and that printed for me. And then these are the digital coupons for the Burt's Bees children. We have a $1, and there's also a $2 digital as well for that toothpaste. You know, it's never too soon to stock up for those Christmas stockings, and I always like to throw in like a fun toothbrush and different pastes and stuff inside the stockings. It's a perfect size. And then the final product that I grabbed was 2 of these Dawns, buy 2 at $1.24, so $2.48, get back a $1 register reward. I love that promotion. Okay, so looking at the overall basket, guys, for this one, 3 of the Schick disposables at $6.99 a pop is $20.97. 2 of the Dawn dish soaps for $2.48, and then 2 of the Burt's Bees Children for $7. The grand total for this basket is $30.45. I had my booster loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 25, and I got the cashier to scan my 9 back when you spend 30. Now, I had $10 in digitals that melted off that I showed you in the slides previous, plus one $5 manufacturer register reward that attached to the Dawn dish soap. With my debit card, I paid $15.45, got back $24 in Walgreens cash and $4 in register rewards, making this free plus a $7.55 moneymaker. If you don't want to consider that $5 register reward, it's a $2.55 moneymaker. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash as you're using spend boosters with this deal, and the Schick deal is also on that same spend promotion. And here are my register rewards. So this was just a fantastic deal. Do love small out of pocket, everything we love with couponing. Okay, so the next store that we're at is Rite Aid, and I have a $50 basket here that includes 2 of the Colgate Optic, $40 of the Aleve products, and then 1 clearance Lysol product. So this is $50, believe it or not. When you're at the till, make sure to scan the most expensive Aleve and then the cheaper one at $10.99, and then the final one at $15.99, so it'll add up to $40. Hopefully that makes sense, but it's on a BOGO 50% off promotion. I'll show you here in a quick second. The cashier will scan all of your goods, and then get the cashier to scan this, which is your 15 back when you spend 50, found at the front of the flyer. I had this guy, and I also had a paper one as well. Now, the Aleve, as you could see, the $18.99 one you'll scan first, the Arthritis secondly, and then the Aleve Max thirdly for your buy one, get one 50% off. I did have a problem here because that Aleve Max in the center for $18.99 isn't tracking, although it's tagged, which is like typical Rite Aid. So I had to call customer service and they credited me the $10, but you can see it's tagged $10 when you spend 40 on this product. So it's just like, just another thing. Now, out of an insert, I think around Mother's Day, I had these $5 coupons. So I was able to use 2 of them. Alternatively, IBOTTA has one $5, but you can't use it in concert with coupons. And then this, I had $1 digital and then $1 on coupons.com for the Colgate. So I was able to save a little bit there. I think there's a 4 off of 2, but I loaded the $1 digitals like an idiot. And then I also got one of these clearance Lysols, and I had a 50-cent digital that attached to that, so it was like 50% off. It was like $2 and some change. So looking at my overall basket, guys, 3 of the Aleves for $40.47, 2 Colgates for $7.98, and then 1 Lysol clearance for $2.74, for a total of $51.95. Scan that, spend 50, get back 15, and then I had 2 Rite Aid 5 off 25 coupons melted off, $10 in manufacturers, those $5 Aleve coupons from that Mother's Day insert, $1.50 in digital coupons also melted off. So I rolled $30.45 in bonus cash on my store card, and then I got back 18. 3 for Colgate and then 15 for the basket. And then I had to call customer service for my missing 10, which I always hate doing. And then Fetch Rewards also gave me back an extra 2 for that Aleve Pain. So it just made this basket completely free. If you're not a very advanced Rite Aid shopper, I would recommend not to do the Aleve deal because you have to do it in that certain order and you either know what I'm talking about or you don't. And then also part of it isn't even tracking, even though it's tagged at the store. So it's like a hot apple pie fail. Typical stuff. So just to show you, here's the Aleve X and $18.99, and this is the one that was not tracking and then customer service credited me. But just to throw it on the table, guys, this is the one that was causing all the problems. And then Fetch Rewards, here it is, guys, 2,000 points. So if you want to sign up for Fetch, they offer little things here and there like this. This is an easy $2. Check out the link in the notes. Use my referral code. I think you're given an extra $1 when you submit your first receipt. It could be on anything. This weekend only. Fetch Rewards, check it out. Okay, the last store that we have is Bath & Body Works, and this store has been a thorn in my side because I love my Bath & Body Works. However, they've offered 0 coupons, and I think the first weekend of the semi-annual sale, and semi-annual sale runs for a month, so when it started, I don't know, sometime in June, it was the same week as the Dollar General clearance event, so I couldn't go and I didn't have digital coupons, but finally they gave us this one through email. When I went to the store yesterday, it's only valid on Wednesday and Thursday. So you got to go today, guys, which is the 22nd, if you want to get in on some of these savings. The cashier at the store just scanned it for me. I didn't even have to show anything off my phone, which I always love. And at checkout, just to show you my receipt, I was getting a lot of these hand soaps for $1.60. I cashed out a $50 IBOTTA gift card. She scanned that 20%, and she was just scanning stuff and telling me, keep going, do this, do that. And if your math is not mathing, I mean, that's the smartest way to do it. I think I got 32 products with the 20% off coupon for a $50 IBOTTA gift card. So, like, that's just like, your PhD in being like exceptionally smart with Bath and Body Works. If you have an addiction like me, and I certainly do, and I'm going to show you some of this stuff here a little more closely because I know a lot of you are like, what'd you get? But these sort of tables don't interest me. I love going to outlets and looking for the $1, $2, and $3 table because I've got some problems. But these $2 hand soaps, to get them for $1.60, I mean, that's just like, the coupon Olympics times 10, and they had a whole bunch of really nice scents. The ice blue lavender, my mother-in-law, I think I might be her favorite after I gift her that. This one, the White Barnes cinnamon and clove buds, this 3-wick candle was $5.40. The scent notes are cinnamon leaf, clove bud, ground nutmeg with essential oils. It smells like very good Christmas baking. I initially was like, meh, and then I smelt it and I was like, oh my gosh, I bought 2 of them. It was really nice. Now, you either love this scent or you're not a fan of this scent, but champagne toast for $1.50, it does not get any more classy than that. If you are near an outlet and today you can swing it, guys, my goodness gracious, get out there because $1.50, $1.60 for the rest of these hand soaps. We have a limoncello. I photographed the scent notes for you guys too in case you're like, well, what's included here? If you want to take a peek, it's all here. This is written in so many different languages. I just wondered, like, were these in a tester place somewhere? The packaging didn't take off. Like, what's the deal? Ice blue lavender. Yeah, they don't even include the scent notes in this one. So this must have been in some tester store or something. We have some vanilla coconut. Also, for the summertime, I think it's just self-explanatory and very fancy. I love this one, and I don't know why it's always on clearance, but it's frosted coconut snowball. I grabbed a bunch of these because I like to gift to the neighbors in my neighborhood, and I like this and cookies and a couple other candles and nice stuff. This one has creamy coconut, whipped vanilla, and sugar crystals. And then we have this guy, which is white waves. Also looks a lot like the limoncello one, but just like perfect little summer hand soaps. And we have some sea spray, white peony, and salted amber. These next 2, very excited about. We have the toasted vanilla chai. I love the smell of anything chai, but I don't like the flavor of chai. Are any of you guys the same way with some stuff? I certainly am. This has whipped vanilla, spun sugar, and winter spice. That is going to be a glorious candle for the winter months. And then the final one I got a bunch of because this is a favorite in our household, which is Merry Cookie. And you cannot go wrong with these cute Christmas hand soaps. We have buttery shortbread vanilla, bourbon icing, and spun sugar, my absolute favorite. And then just to brag one more time, look at my gorgeous receipt of paying $1.60 for these hand soaps. Get out to Bath and Body Works today, guys, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.